How can I make money online with no experience is what we're exploring today. Welcome. My name is Martha, and in this channel I talk all about finances. I talk about businesses and self-development. Welcome to this topic today, where we are looking at some different jobs you can make money online with no experience at all. Number one, data entry clerk. You can become a data entry clerk. Data entry clerk, we put information for people in different systems and they pay you for doing that. Some of us don't have enough time to put all the data entry for our expenses, for our inventory, and here is where you come in and you help small businesses and even big companies to do data entry. If you type on Google data entry jobs, they will come up and you will see some of the requirements that are needed. Some of them you don't need no experience. As long as you have a computer and you're able to type, you can get this job. Proofreading and copy editing. We have a lot of people nowadays that are writing books. We have people that want somebody else to proofread their work. And this is where you come in, you do proofreading, you do copy editing. Even when you outsource your book to be written by somebody else, you want somebody else to proofread it. So this is where you come in and you assist and you help solve that problem. Administrative, virtual, and executive assistants. Nowadays, there's a lot of different people doing businesses online, creating content. We need virtual assistants to help us organize ourselves, to schedule things out in the social media or in any other field. So there is where you come in and you help. Also, administrative assistant, you can also coordinate and help plan, develop things like newsletters, do other things that you can help in administrative role. Social media coordinator and manager, you can help the content creators and the social part of the business, where you come in and you manage all the different platforms like Facebook, like Instagram, YouTube, and you manage the social media platform. It requires some good organization skills and good communication skills too. A graphic designer. A lot of things nowadays need good graphic designer to capture the customer's eye, to capture the people out there. So if you are able to sit down and learn from like YouTube on how to design things, you can become a graphic designer, and you can fill that position and that gap where you're helping people design good products for their businesses and for their companies as well. You can become a writer, a ghostwriter, where if you have good writing skills, or you can even learn these skills, where you write for people. You can write in their blogs, you can write books, you can write in their newsletters. There's different places that you can get this job as a writer. Some people need help even email writing. They don't have time for that, or they're just not good at it. If you're good at this, there you go. You can become a writer. You can become a customer service representative. Different companies, big organizations, small organizations, always need customer help, where you are filling in the gap of being the customer service representative, and you are being there to answer questions on product, answer questions on services that have been provided by all these different companies. There you have it. Do you have some jobs that I left out that you can do with no experience? Please share below in the comment section, so that we can all learn and know more about these jobs and business and opportunities. I'm glad that you were able to join me today, and come back next time as we continue learning all about money and also learning about businesses and self-development. And I'm gonna leave below some books that I feel like are great resources to help you in this journey of getting money online and becoming good at your business and also self-development. Till next time, bye bye.